How to remove a rectangle in Adobe Acrobat. Quick and simple. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Click All Tools on the top. Then choose Add Comments and upload your PDF. Once it opens, look at the left toolbar. Make sure comment tools are visible. Click the speech bubble icon on the right if not. Find the rectangle shape on your PDF. Click directly on the rectangle. This will highlight it. A mini toolbar will appear above or near the shape. Click the trash bin icon or hit the delete key. The rectangle will vanish. Click Save on the top right corner to keep your updated file if you are using app. Quick tip: if the rectangle doesn't highlight when clicked, it was likely added in Pro with edit tools, and you can't remove it with the free version. That's how you clean up rectangles in your PDF. Easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.